Hey guys, it's Wolf here back with another video. So in this video we're going to check out Binance review. So I'm going to show you ins and outs of Binance, how to use this, what I have learned using this, all kinds of like crazy tricks and kicks that I have learned. I have used Binance for over 3 years now, so I know a lot about it. But before we dive into the video, I'm going to quickly show you my new project that I'm working on. So I started liquidity farming. I'm providing liquidity for NMX. So I'm using USD and NMX 50/50 to get liquidity tokens. So these NMX LP, and then I just stake it 3000% API currently on this project. I started staking yesterday. I have already made $3.45, which is pretty good. Okay, so I slapped like a $200 here, and the reward now it's 350. Token has also increased the price in a little bit. If you want to start staking, so they have this like a team farming. I'm testing it out, and I'm also promoting them at the same time. So if you want to get into my team, I have made tutorials on how to start staking. If you want to maybe looking for passive income and how to do this stuff, I will show you step by step. You can find that in the first link in the description on the newsletter. And yeah, just sign up to newsletter, you will get everything inside. Okay, but anyway, that's just that type of thing. And by the way, here's I'm like I started keeping track of it. So yeah, I started with 250 it seems. And here's how much I made, and here are the staking rewards. So I will keep you guys updated on this one, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss anything. But anyway, let's jump into the Binance. So Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange. Okay, Binance has the most pairs of all time. They have basically all the cryptocurrencies here. At least all the new ones are the best ones, old ones, everything. Binance is just a very good exchange. And by the way, Nominex is working with Binance. Like they are using Binance smart chain. And let me show you. When you go to MetaMask, you can see that I'm on the Binance smart chain mainnet, and I'm using it here. So it uses Binance smart chain. So Binance is a very good bet in my opinion. Of course, anything could happen to these exchanges, and anything could happen to this. By the way, this is a centralized exchange like Binance, but this is like their DeFi side. So you can it's like a centralized exchange with decentralized token exchange token. Very interesting concept. They have a lot of good things. Nobody knows about this project basically. So I'm just showing it. I'm showing what I'm doing. So anyway, no investment advice there, just my opinion and documenting my journey. But anyway, let's jump on the Binance. So I will show you how to buy cryptocurrencies here. So this is the trading site, and before you can trade, you need some funds, right? Because you are trading something into something, so you need something. Okay, so when you go to what is that? Random Lenovo. Are you kidding me? I have a Lenovo laptop. That's pretty random. Lenovo is not the best one, but yeah. Anyway, so when you go to your wallet and finance spot, you can see your own Binance wallet here, right? So here's how you can get crypto. You can get funds to your account. So you can either buy cryptocurrencies. When you go buy, you have these options. Out of these options, I have used bank deposit, credit and debit card, and third-party payment by Simplex. But nowadays, I just use credit and debit card. It's the easiest one. Let's click here. And after that, all you have to do here is select what you want to buy. You can buy a couple of coins here. Look at that, it's automatically set on engine now. Usually it's on Bitcoin. Now it's pushing engine really hard. That's cool. That's cool. They're making some moves. So it seems that they have added new coins here. You can now buy Graph, also Anchor, Swipe, Compound. That's really interesting. Yearn Finance also. So they have definitely added some new coins here. But these are the coins that you can straight up buy with your credit card. Let's say that you want to buy some Bitcoin. You just select it here, then you select how much you want to buy, right? And after that you click buy BTC, you just confirm it, and then the payment is completed, and the Bitcoin will instantly show up in your Binance wallet. So that's how you can buy on Binance. Now let's say that you have the Bitcoin in your account. Now you can trade that Bitcoin into other cryptocurrencies. Okay, it will show up here. So then you go to trade classic, and here's the trading window. Right? And here are sell orders, and here are buy orders. So these people are selling Bitcoin for the USDT, and these people are buying Bitcoin using USDT, right? So if you want to, for example, now trade your Bitcoin into other cryptocurrencies, you want to go to search and type in BTC, and or you get, let's say that you want to buy Cardano, you type in ADA, and then you find the BTC pairing here, so here, and then you click that. Okay, and then where it says buy ADA, now you are selling your Bitcoins and trading that into ADA. So all you have to do is here again, sell orders, people who are selling Cardano ADA for Bitcoin, and buying orders, people who are buying Cardano ADA with Bitcoin. So we are buying Cardano with Bitcoin, so we are here, and we are buying from these people who are selling. So how do we buy from these people who are selling? Go to market, and then click buy ADA here, and then just select how much you want to sell, and then when you click buy ADA, it will automatically exchange your Bitcoins into Cardano. Okay, and here you can select how much you want to trade, and then the Cardano will instantly show up in your wallet. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now let's say that you have the Cardano now in your wallet and you want to sell it, then again come back here and type in Cardano. Okay, and then let's say that you want to sell your Cardano for BNB, you just click here and then scroll down and where it says market, and then click sell, and then you can sell your Cardano for other cryptocurrencies. And that's how you use Binance. That's how you can keep trading. Okay, and if you don't want to buy cryptocurrencies on Binance, you can also deposit your cryptocurrencies from other accounts. So that's really easy. All you have to do is come here, wallet, and find a spot, and here where it says deposit, and then just follow the follow what's happening there. Okay, so that's the instructions. Okay, so that's how you do it. Well, now when you come here, I quickly want to show you also. So here you can buy cryptocurrencies. Here are the markets. Here are all the cryptocurrencies markets. You can see here, futures market and all that stuff. You don't really need to know about that. Then you can do trade. You have the different options. You have convert, which is easy. You can just convert. If you have USDT, you can convert it to these cryptocurrencies, right? So you can do that. And then you can do the classic trading that I just showed you. These are the two things that I have used the most. I don't really use these are advanced stuff, and margin, increase your profit with leverage. I never use leverage. I have never used leverage, and I will never use leverage because I'm not that experienced that I could use leverage. Leverage, I think that leverage is just if you're a beginner, I just wouldn't touch it because you can lose a lot of money fast. So I don't want never to do that. Warren Buffett says that don't what the ultimate goal is to not get a lot of money at once, but it's just getting small victories all the time. That's what Warren Buffett says. That's what got him his belt. So anyway, so these are the two that I use the most. And there's derivatives. I don't use these. So you can I've never used this. Look at this, up to 125x leverage. That's crazy. That I have like never. Finance, here's Binance Earn. You can one-stop investment solution. You can start earning with your cryptocurrencies. Here are many different investment products. The API is not huge, but it's still pretty good for passive income. Here are more high risk, so high risk, high reward. These are not so risky here. And you can come stake here. It's very easy to do. I have done it before. Then there's the Binance pool. Okay. You can see this here. There's tutorials and stuff. Then there's the Binance Visa card. This is they are working with Swipe as XP, and that's pretty cool. You can make your own, buy things you love with crypto. Okay, that's pretty cool. Then there's crypto loans and liquidity swap. Okay, and then there's of course your wallet, and there are different parts of your wallet. You have your different earning wallet when you start earning, and different pool wallet, and you have basically and card. You have it's just different wallets for you. But the basic one, if you just trade Finance Spot, old school Finance Spot. Okay, so all of your funds will show up here as you start using Binance. So that's pretty much it. Now you know how to use Binance, and to sign up on Binance, use the link in the description. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. And again, if you need any help with anything, I'm just here to help you guys. So thank you so much, and see you in the next videos. Okay.